Dear students, good morning. Last class we completed till exercise 5.3. Now we are going to see exercise 5.4. Before that, we will recall some formulas. See, general form of a straight line. Already we know ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then suppose if straight line equation given means we can be use this formula to find the slope. So slope equal to minus a divided by b. A means here x coefficient and B means here y coefficient. So, minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Then next, if two lines are parallel, that slope must be equal. So, m1 equal to m2. If two lines are perpendicular, we know m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. If we are multiplying the two slopes, surely we will get minus 1. See, this is the general straight line equation. Equation form given means we can be use the formula to find the slope minus a by b or minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Then if two lines are parallel, that slope will be equal. So m1 equal to m2. Then two lines are perpendicular. If you are multiplying that slopes, we will get finally minus 1. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. See, now we are going to see exercise 5.4. This is our last exercise in 5th chapter. Find the slope of the following straight lines. 5y minus 3 equal to 0. So the given equation is 5y minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation form. So we know slope m equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Now there is no x term, so we can be consider that is 0x. We can write the equation like this: 0x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0 because there is no x term. So we can be consider now 0x, then this 5y minus 3 equal to 0. Now coefficient of x is 0. So minus 0 divided by coefficient of y is 5. We know 0 by any value, answer 0. So now the slope is 0. Then second sum, 7x minus 3 by 17 equal to 0. Now 7x, there is no y term, so we can consider 0y, then minus 3 by 17 equal to 0. Then slope equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So now minus, see what is the x coefficient? 7. So this minus 7 divided by y coefficient is 0. Number by 0 we know that is undefined. So mention infinitive. Number by 0 always infinitive. See, find the slope of the line parallel to this equation. So now let me find out first given equation slope. Then they have given parallel equation slope. So we know if two lines are parallel, the two slopes must be equal. So let me find out first the given line slope. So the given equation is y equal to 0.7x minus 11. We can bring this y here. So we will get 0 equal to 0.7x, then plus 5 will change into minus y and this minus 11. So this is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we can be find out the slope, that is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. See what is the x coefficient here? 0.7. So 0.7, this minus divided by y coefficient is 1. Minus y means we can be represent minus 1y. So now y coefficient is minus 1. So we can mention here minus 1. So minus minus cancel. 0.7 divided by 1 we know 0.7. 7. So now the given line slope is 0.7. Now we want to be find out the parallel line slope. So we know m1 equal to m2. If two lines are parallel, we know m1 equal to m2. So let me consider m1 is the given line slope. So if m1 0.7 means m2 also 0.7 because two lines are parallel. See, parallel to this equation. So the given line slope is 0.7. So the required line slope also 0.7 because two lines are parallel. See, second one, find the slope of the line perpendicular to the line x equal to minus 11. First we will bring equation form. So x plus 11 equal to 0. So which is general equation form, straight line equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we have x term, that is 1x. Now there is no y term, so we can be consider 0y, then constant is 11 equal to 0. Now we are going to find out slope. So let me consider that is m1. So slope equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So now see, coefficient of x is 1. So minus 1 divided by coefficient of y is 0. Now we got m1 value. Now we are going to find out perpendicular to the line. So we know if two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. See, m1 is given line slope, then m2 that perpendicular line slope. So now we got m1. What is m1 value? Minus 1 by 0. So minus 1 by 0 into m2 equal to minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. Now m2 equal to this 1 by 0 will go there. So it will be changed 0 by 1. So 1 into 0, 0. So 0 by 1 answer is 0. So m2 value is 0. So the perpendicular line slope is now 0. See, third division, first one. X by 3 plus y by 4 plus 1 by 7 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Then second one, 2x by 3 plus y by 2 plus 1 by 10 equal to 0. This is second equation. Check the lines are parallel or perpendicular. So if it is parallel, these two slopes must be equal. These two lines slope must be equal. Suppose if it is not parallel, we have to check whether it's perpendicular or not. So we know perpendicular condition m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So after finding these two slopes, if we are multiplying that slope, if we got minus 1, we can be say the two lines are perpendicular. So let me check first parallel or not. So x by 3 plus y by 4 plus 1 by 7 equal to 0. This is the first equation. So we know m1 equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So now x coefficient is, if there is no value, we can mention there 1. So now x coefficient is 1 by 3. So write minus 1 by 3 divided by, now y coefficient is 1 by is there, so 1 by 4. Take reciprocal. So we will get minus 1 by 3 into 4 by 1. Now minus 1 into 4 minus 4 by 3 ones are 3. Now we got m1 value. So first line slope is now minus 4 by 3. Then second line. The second line is 2x by 3 plus y by 2 plus 1 by 10 equal to 0. The same formula, but here we have to change m2. So now m2 equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Now x coefficient is 2 by 3. So use 2 by 3, this minus formula minus by, now y coefficient is, there is 1 y, so 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then take reciprocal. We got m1 value now minus 4 by 3. Now m2 equal to 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. So minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 1. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 3 ones are 3. See, m1 value minus 4 by 3. Now m2 value also minus 4 by 3. Now we got same value. So m1 equal to m2. Therefore the two lines are parallel, because we got same slope for first line and second lines. See fourth sum, if the straight lines 12y equal to minus p plus 3 x plus 12, 12x minus 7y equal to 16 are perpendicular. So now the given two lines are perpendicular. Then find p value. So if two lines are perpendicular, we know m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. If two lines are perpendicular, we know m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So let me find out first equation slope, then second equation slope. After that we will substitute here. Then finally we can find out p value. So first equation is 12y equal to minus of p plus 3x plus 12. Now first we have to bring equation form. So we can bring both this side. So minus of p plus 3 will change into plus p plus 3x. Then our y term is plus 12y. Plus 12 will change into minus 12 equal to 0. Now we got x term, y term, constant term equal to 0. So now we know m1 equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So now coefficient of x is p plus 3. So write minus of p plus 3 divided by coefficient of y is 12 by 12. Now we got m1 value minus of p plus 3 divided by 12. Then next we are going to find out second line slope, that is 12x minus 7y. 16 we can bring. So minus 16 equal to 0. So now we are going to find out m2 value. So now m2 equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. See, minus x coefficient is 12. So 12 divided by y coefficient is minus 7. So minus 7. Minus minus cancel. So now m2 value is 12 divided by 7. Now m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, because two lines are perpendicular. What is m1 value? Minus of p plus 3 divided by 12. So use minus of p plus 3 by 12 into m2 value is 12 divided by 7 equal to minus 1. 12 cancel. Then we can bring this 7 here. So minus of p plus 3 equal to 7 into minus 1 minus 7. Minus minus cancel. Then plus 3 we can bring this side. So p equal to 7 minus 3. So now p equal to 7 minus 3 value is 4. So now required p value is 4. See sixth sum. Fifth sum we will do in the assignment. Find the equation of a line passing through 6 comma minus 2. So one line is passing through the point 6 comma minus 2. So let me mark here 6 comma minus 2. One line is passing through this point. And perpendicular to the line joining the points 6 comma 7 and 2 comma minus 3. So the line joining the point 6 comma 7 and 2 comma minus 3. So 6 comma 7, 2 comma minus 3. Let me plot the 2 points. We are getting one straight line. Now this line is perpendicular to this line. So we can mark like this. Perpendicular. See, this is the line passing through the point 6 comma minus 2 and perpendicular to the line joining the points. So if we are joining the 2 points, we will get one line. Now these two lines are perpendicular. So now we are going to find out equation of this line. Equation of this line. But the given condition is two lines are perpendicular. So if two lines are perpendicular, we know m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. We know two lines are perpendicular. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Now m1 is given line slope. Which is the given line here? 6 comma 7 and 2 comma minus 3. They are joining. We will get line. So let me find out first m1 value. So 6 comma 7 and 2 comma minus 3. If 2 points are given, means that slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So let me consider this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now y2 value is minus 3. So minus 3. Y1 value is 7. This minus by x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 6. Minus 3 minus 7 value is minus 10. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 5 times. This is 2 times. So now m1 value is 5 by 2. So now we got the slope of this line, that is m1. Now we are going to find out m2. This line slope. So now we are going to find out m2 value. So m1 is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into m2 equal to minus 1. Let me bring the 5 by 2 here. So 5 by 2 will change into 2 by 5. So m2 equal to this minus 1 into 2 by 5. Reciprocal. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2 by this 5. So now the required line slope is minus 2 by 5. Now we got slope and also we have one point. So the line passing through the point which is the point 6 comma minus 2. 6 comma minus 2 with slope minus 2 divided by 5. So now one point and one slope we know. So if one point one slope equation formula is y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So now y minus, this is x1 and this is y1. So y1 value is minus 2. Now m value is minus 2 divided by 5 into x minus x1. Now x1 value is 6. Then minus of minus plus. So y plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 5 into x minus 6. Bring this 5 here. So 5 into y, 5y, 5 into 2, 10. That is equal to minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 6, plus 12. Usually x term should be positive. So we can bring these two terms this side. So minus 2x will change into plus 2x. Then already 5y is there. So mention plus 5y. Then plus 10 plus 12 will come here. So minus 12 equal to 0. So 2x plus 5y, 10 minus 12. That is 2 greater number sign minus equal to 0. So now the required line slope equation is 2x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the required line equation. See seventh sum. Vertex A minus 3 comma 0, then vertex B 10 comma minus 2, then vertex C 12 comma 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find the equation of the altitude through A and B. So now triangle ABC. Now vertex A is minus 3 comma 0, then 10 comma minus 2, and vertex C 12 comma 3. Now we are going to find out the equation of the altitude through A and B. So first through A, so this is the first altitude. So altitude always intersect at 90 degree, the opposite side. So now A opposite side is BC, it will intersect at 90 degree. So through A, this is the altitude. Then through B, this is the altitude. It will be perpendicular to AC, side AC. Now through A only we are going to find out. So A, B, C, let me mark here D. So now we know, now AD is perpendicular to BC. See, AD is perpendicular to BC. We are going to find out now AD equation. So let AD be the altitude. So we know vertex A. So we know one point. So we can't be find out the point here because this is not a midpoint. So we can be find out the slope because BC is perpendicular to AD. So if we know BC slope, easily we can be find out AD slope by using M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. So now let me find out first slope of BC. So BC are 2 points. So we can be use y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. See, y2 value is 3 minus of minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, 12 minus 10, minus of minus plus. So 3 plus 2 divided by 12 minus 10 is 2. 3 plus 2 value is 5. So 5 divided by 2. Let me consider this is M1. Now M1 value is 5 by 2. We are going to find out AD slope. We know AD is perpendicular to BC. Now we got BC slope. Now we are going to find out AD slope. We know M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. M1 is slope of BC. M2 is slope of AD. So now M1 value is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into M2 equal to minus 1. Bring this 5 by 2 here. So we will get 2 by 5. So M2 equal to minus 1 into 2 by 5. So that is equal to minus 2 by 5. Now we got slope. Slope of AD and also one point is there. That is minus 3 comma 0. So the line or the altitude AD. The line AD passing through the point see which is the passing through the point minus 3 comma 0 with slope minus 2 divided by 5. So now we have 1.1 slope. So if there is 1.1 slope, we can be use the equation form y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. This is now x1 y1. So y minus 0 equal to m value is minus 2 by 5 x minus of minus 3. So now y minus 0 is y equal to minus 2 by 5 minus of minus plus. So x plus 3. Bring this 5 here. So y into 5, 5y equal to minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Now we can bring equation form. So bring this both terms here. So minus 2x will come here. So it will change plus 2x, then plus 5y minus 6 will change into plus 6 equal to 0. This is slope of, equation of AD. Next we are going to find the equation through B. So let me mention here E. Now the second altitude is BE through B. So that B is perpendicular to AC. So first we have to be find out slope of AC. Then we can be substituting M1 into M2 formula. We will get slope of BE. After finding slope, using this point, we can be find out the equation. So first, now we are going to find out equation of BE. Equation of BE. So first, we will find out slope of AC. Slope of AC, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, this is x1 y1 and we will consider this is x2 y2. So y2 value is 3, y1 value is 0. So 3 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, 12 minus of minus 3. We know 3 minus 0 is 3, minus of minus plus 12 plus 3 is 15. You cancel 1 time. This is 5 time. So now 1 by 5. We will consider this is M1. We know B is perpendicular to AC. BE is perpendicular to AC. So now M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Now AC slope is M1. So that is 1 by 5. That is equal into M2 equal to minus 1. Bring this 1 by 5 here. So it will change 5 by 1. So we will get M2 equal to minus 1 into 5 by 1. So minus 1 into 5 minus 5 by 1. So now M2 value is minus 5. So now BE slope is minus 5. The line BE passing through the point 10 comma minus 2. Passing through the point 10 comma minus 2 with slope minus 5. So now we have 1 point and 1 slope. So use the formula y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So y minus, this is y1 value. So write minus 2 and m value is minus 5. X minus x1 value is 10. So minus of minus plus. So y plus 2 equal to multiplied by minus 5. So minus 5x then plus 50. Bring these two terms here. So minus 5x will come here. So plus 5x. Then this plus y. This plus 2 plus 50 will change minus 50 equal to 0. So now 5x plus y minus 50 plus 2 is minus 48 equal to 0. This is equation through B. 5x plus y minus 48 equal to 0. Note down the assignment sum. Check the line parallel or perpendicular. So you have to be find out slope. So if it is equal, you can be right the two lines are parallel. Otherwise, you have to check whether perpendicular or not. So perpendicular condition we know m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So after finding the slope, you substitute in m1 into m2 formula. If you got minus 1, you can be right the two lines are perpendicular. See second sum. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point P minus 5 comma 2. So now one line is there, that is point P minus 5 comma 2. The line is passing through this point. So now to line joining the points Q 3 comma minus 2 and R minus 5 comma 4. Now the line which is passing through the point P, which is parallel to the line joining the points Q and R. So let me mark here Q and R. Write the points here. Write Q point and R point here. So now the given condition is these two lines are parallel. So we are going to find out this line equation. So already they gave one point. Next we have to be find out slope. So now QR is parallel to this line. So first you find out QR slope. That same slope you can be used for this line because two lines are parallel. So after finding QR slope, you can be write the line passing through the point minus 5 comma 2 with this slope, because two lines are parallel, so same slope will come for this line also. So after that you have to use y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1 formula. This is x1 y1 point, and this QR slope we have to use here because the two lines are now parallel. Thank you.